All right, in today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you view photos or video on your GoPro Hero 11 Black. So first thing that you're going to want to do is power it up, hold in on it. Okay. And this is providing that you did shoot some pictures or video with the camera, but the easy way to view them is to just swipe up from the bottom, just like so. And as you can see right there's a test video that I took. To get it to stop, you just swipe back down. You can swipe back up again, and right here on the top left is those, it looks like 9 boxes, like a Rubik's Cube, but you tap on that and it shows you all the different recordings that you have. I just have the one right there on the top left. But that's how you view photos or video on your GoPro Hero 11 Black. If this video was helpful, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.